Pivotal Product School is a DreamUps program designed to develop stronger product thinking and product management skills in Moldova's tech ecosystem. We launched it because Moldova has a lot of technical and entrepreneurial talent. But there is still a gap between building technology and building products that truly respond to market and users' needs. The program was very hands-on and based on case studies such as Evo, Brizy, and Selftalk, because product management cannot be learned only in theory.
Our motivation in participating in Pivotal as a case study partner was actually shining some light on our vision as Evo, which is building the friendliest digital state. So every day we try to make each citizen's experience better, and actually the case studies gave us a great vision on what we do wrong and what improvements we can make in the future.
I know DreamUps team is creating amazing courses, and I really wanted to take advantage at least of one. I had many amazing moments at this program. One of them was working with my team. The second were the mentors who created very clear, structured lessons, and I enjoyed each and every one of them.
It was quite challenging and fun at the same time. We had to actually test and use the product that we didn't use before. So you had to think as a user, we had to conduct interviews and ask users about the product like it's our product.
My advice to anyone who wants to apply to Pivotal is to keep trying. If you are not selected for the first time, do it the second, third, because it's really worth it.